Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the HGLRC Petrel120 Pro micro brushless racing quadcopter. In this video I'm going to quickly go over its features and then head outdoors and test it out. The Petrel120 Pro is one of two new Toothpick style micro brushless racing quadcopters that were recently released by HGLRC. The second version is the non-Pro version, and the difference between the two versions is only the motors. The Pro version is bundled with 1106 6000 kV motors and with 2540 Gemfan flash propellers, and the non-Pro version comes with 1103 8000 kV motors and is bundled with 65mm bi-bladed props. Except this difference, both versions are practically identical. They are compatible with LiPo batteries between 2 to 3 cells. On the center you can find the new FD VTX stack, which I've recently reviewed, so you can check out my review over here. On the front, protected by this 3D printed TPU canopy, you can find the Caddx Turbo EOS 2 Nano FPV camera. In addition, both versions are using a stretched X frame with a unibody bottom plate and a wheelbase of 120mm. And you can choose between a plug-and-play version that does not come with a ready receiver and a bind and fly version that comes with either a Frsky or Flysky receivers. Here is everything that comes along with the quadcopter inside its box. So first of all, you can find some extra screws, two Gemfan Flash 2540 propellers, a battery velcro strap, which I think is a little bit too long, and I recommend to use this battery velcro strap by RJX Hobby. In addition, you're also getting the user manual, some stickers, and a spare antenna tube for the radio receiver. The weight of the Petrel120 Pro is 74.7 grams, so it's not very light, especially when comparing it with the iFlight TurboBee 120RS that weighs only 56.4 grams. Its weight, including the GNB 520 mAh 2S and 3S LHB batteries, which I think work best with this quadcopter, is 103.5 grams with the 2S version and 116.7 grams including the 3S version. In terms of flight time, you can expect about 2.5 minutes using these 520 mAh LHB batteries, and this flight time is relatively short because these are very powerful motors. I think maybe too powerful for a 2.5-inch quadcopter, and I also experienced some vibrations which weren't that bad with a 2S LiPo battery, but they were more noticeable with the 3S. I also think that it could have been better if the thickness of the frame would have been 3mm instead 2.5mm, because it would have made it more durable, since when you're going to crash this quadcopter, its weight is relatively high, so the arms can snap. But what I intend to do anyway is to transfer all the parts to this 3-inch Ninja frame by FlexRC, since I think these motors are going to perform better with 3-inch propellers than with 2.5-inch ones. Now I'm going to show you the flight footage, and by the way, in the description box of this video you can also find the recommended settings for Betaflight 4.04 that were supplied to me by HGLRC, so if you have this quadcopter, you should check them out. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions about the HGLRC Petrel120, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.